You get sporting weekends, girls' weekends, lazing on the couch and doing absolutely nothing weekends. And then you get healthy-licious weekends. Espresso and Nestle have invited people from all around Cape Town and Johannesburg to take charge of their health. But in order to do that, we first need to get some tests done. I'm about to go and have my test done, and I'm inviting you to do the same.
Canal Walk Shopping Centre was buzzing as people lined up for blood pressure, blood glucose, cholesterol and BMI tests, all for free. Knowing these numbers are the key to good heart health.
What were my results and how do I interpret them?
Your cholesterol was 4.2, which is less than 5, and that's normal. Your glucose was 4.1. We'd like that to be between 4 and 7, so yours is normal. Blood pressure was 108/72, which is perfectly normal.
So all in all, I'm a healthy girl.
Yes, you are.
How often should one be having these tests done?
I would say if there's no risk, meaning a family history, you should have it at least once a year. If you have a family history, at least twice a year. And if you have of these symptoms, you should have it more regularly.
Once the tests are done, your results are recorded on a card so that you know your numbers. If the nurse feels that you need some extra help or advice, it's a short walk over to the dietitian.
Today is about preventing, picking out if there is any cases that we need to deal with, and also management. So those that have disease conditions, we can manage it as well.
Now, for anyone whose results might not be that favorable, what health advice can you give them?
We recommend healthy lifestyle. So that includes healthy sleeping habits, stress levels need to come down, your lifestyle, are you active? What we look at is your portion sizes, very important. You need to have a balance in your lifestyle.
High blood pressure and high cholesterol are silent killers, meaning they often show no symptoms until it's too late. Diabetes and obesity are linked and both are preventable, which is why a healthy lifestyle is important.
Things I would be doing differently is changing my way of eating and all my eating plans during the day.
At least I now got to the nitty-gritty and I can actually tackle it and do something. It's not going to run away from me, the results.
I wasn't aware that I'm not eating enough proteins, and I found that out by speaking to your dietitian. So I think it was a positive experience for me.
So now that I know that I'm in pretty good health, I wonder what Katlego is doing up in Joburg.
With over 200 heart attacks and strokes occurring daily in South Africa and more than half the nation battling the bulge of being overweight, free testing and consultations were also offered at Zoo Lake to reach as many people as possible.
So Nazneen, what does it actually mean to be healthy-licious?
As a South African population, we love taste. We don't pay too much attention to our health. And what we're trying to do is merge the two, so you be healthy and enjoy tasty food.
And I must say, I think you've done the public a great service by offering these screenings absolutely free of charge. Why did Nestle decide to do that?
I think it's just important to keep South Africa at the heart of it all. It's about heart health and heart awareness. And once you're in charge of your heart health, that's when you start making the difference, not only for yourself, but your family as well.
Everyone can start looking after their heart health regardless of age. While diet is crucial, exercise is also an important part of a healthy lifestyle. Because fitness should be fun. What better way to get active than with something totally different like hula hooping?
Maddie, clearly the whole hula hooping thing is creating quite a buzz right now. But what is it about swinging a hula hoop around your hips that makes it so enticing?
You're actually getting in touch with your inner child while you're hooping, so it's so much fun. And I think it does something to the serotonin levels in the brain. So the happy things are happening in there.
And are there really health benefits?
There's so many benefits to hooping, you know, the whole family can join in. All you need is a hula hoop. So you're doing exercise without even noticing it, because you're having fun.
There was no better way to commemorate World Heart Health Day than by empowering people with the tools to live better, live longer and live healthier.
You know, the truth is you don't need a dedicated weekend like this to make improvements to your health. It's a very simple decision of making small changes in your diet and perhaps in your health regime as well at home. And in that way, you can help improve your health and be healthy-licious.
Nestle provides you with tastier and healthier everyday choices to enhance your quality of life. Nestle, good food, good life.